working on breakaways, the technical aspect of breakaways, inevitably there's decision making in that. So again, it's do we block, do we stay patient and stay up, or do we attack a through ball? So I also want to warn the goalkeepers to attack that through ball, and there may be contact. So we're going to work on a little bit of smothers here as well, just to prepare his body for contact. You know, we're warming up really that bravery side of you, because you're going to have to come low and hard at that ball when I'm going to be nice and close looking to strike that ball. Because the next progression, when we're a goal, we're going to combine all of it. The blocking, the through ball, the 50-50 ball, the decision making. So I want your brain to say, you know what? I've seen that before. I've seen the block. I've seen the through ball. And now I've seen that smother that gets past the ball and at it and strikes that ball and leaves that ball on the striker's feet. So you got to feel comfortable in this position. Hey. All right, here we go. Ready? We'll start by a count of 3, nice and neutral. Ready? You're going to strike that ball first. 1, 2, 3, get there. Good, I like it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Good. Child's play. You can start with the counting just to build confidence and timing. Now it's going to be no counting. I can go any side I want. My shoes are tight. I got you. Oh, well done. I can give a little ship. Shakir's got nothing on me. Good job.